purpose of this video is to provide tips for Google Drawings to actively complete a worksheet online. Lincoln Learning Solutions Kindergarten through 5th grade core courses integrates a Google Drawings option associated with PDF worksheets. Note: Lincoln Learning Solutions 6th through 12th grade courses and elementary electives currently utilizes a download Word option instead of Google Drawing. First, we will learn how to open Google Drawings. When you encounter a PDF that has a Google Drawings options like this one, click the icon above the PDF to open Google Drawing. Once you make that selection, you'll be prompted to make a copy. Tip: take a moment and save your file in the correct location. For example, within a shared folder with your teacher. Try adding your name for easier reference. Click the folder option to move to your correct drive location. Here are some tips for using Google Drawings. Please note, Google Drawings will not be applicable to all worksheets. Please read the worksheet instructions and complete the activity accordingly. At the top of each Google Drawings option, you will see two blue options: download PDF or make a copy. This allows you to download a static PDF of the Google Drawing or gives you the ability to make a new copy of Google Drawings. Use the zoom icon to adjust the size of your image. If your image contains a dotted rectangle, you can click to begin typing. The drawing tool within the Google Drawings will allow you to create lines, shapes, text, and more. Use the line feature to do matching. Scribble, one of the line options, is great for hands-on creation. Let's make another line. Who helped slaves escape to the South in the Underground Railroad? Was it Rosa Parks? Nope. Control-Z will help if you need to undo any work. Warning: if you grab a worksheet image and move it, Control-Z will be helpful. When you're finished and you're ready to submit your Google Drawing file, you can still do this through the LMS if a PDF worksheet is associated to a grade. However, if you save your Google Drawing to your Google folder, you can also share your completed work with your teacher by adjusting the Google folder permissions. This resource, found in our Help Center, Google Docs Getting Started and Sharing Folders, is great, and it's designed to assist you with setting up and sharing folders with your Google account. Thanks for watching this video from the desk of PD.